Hi everybody, Eugene here with Darkroom Software. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can use Event Gallery along with Darkroom Hot Folder to have a reprint kiosk, and this would work with essentially anything. If you're using Darkroom Booth, Darkroom Core to upload, you're going to be running this on a separate computer, and then people can go select their image and then select print. This is a brand new feature added to Event Gallery, so let's jump right in and see how this works. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is open Event Gallery up in our web browser, and I already have a gallery uploaded with a few images, but we're going to go to our settings, and then under Share you'll see a brand new option, Show Print. So one thing that we'll want to do is we can disable download and any of the other share options, because they're not going to be accessing this from their phone. And I actually don't even have it displaying on the home page, so the only place they can access these images is within the sharing kiosk. So I also have SMS sharing and email set up, so I can go ahead and check those options, but we want to make sure that show print is available, and then we're going to save. Then the next thing is we have hot folder monitoring a folder. I have already installed it, but under settings I have it set to watch the C drive and then Darkroom Hot Folder. So in my browser I will want to set the download folder to be the same folder. So I'm going to go to settings and then scroll down until I see the default downloads folder, which I passed it. There it goes, save files to, and then we're just going to select C and then Darkroom Hot Folder, so that where it automatically downloads to is going to be the same folder that Darkroom Hot Folder is looking, and it'll automatically print. And if you're using a different browser other than Firefox, I should have a guide for that on the same article on the knowledge base for this guide. Okay, so now we've added one more option that makes it a little bit easier, because this is not showing on our, and I'll show you, our home page. That kiosk demo is not there. We've added this button to make it easier to get to that gallery. So now if I select an image, I have this print option right here. I'm going to click print, and it'll download to my C drive, and then folder is Darkroom Hot Folder, and you can hear it's already printing. So along with printing, we can set up SMS. I could type in my phone number, it would send to me, or email. And in this case, I did an enlargement of 5x7, and I have those print settings set in Darkroom Hot Folder. So in this case, rather than a 4x6 or 2x6, we're printing a 5x7 for an enlargement. So what that could mean is that you have different printers set up, different computers to have different enlargement sizes. If you're using Darkroom Booth and you upload a 4x6, it'll print a 4x6. If it's a 2x6, it'll know that it's a 2x6, duplicate it and cut it. So that's helpful if you're using Darkroom Booth. But you can see right here, I have it set to auto detect my printer, and it's set for 5x7, and then copies one. One thing I'm gonna suggest not doing is checking this option, because it's gonna re-upload it to Event Gallery. So whenever it prints, it'll also upload it, which most people don't want. I just forgot to uncheck that option. So that's the new print option, allowing you to use Darkroom or Event Gallery as a kiosk with Darkroom Hot Folder. Now if you just wanted to have it for sharing, you could do just enable the email and SMS, but if you want to also have printing, you'll need Darkroom Hot Folder. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. While editing the video, I realized there's one small thing I left out, and that is going to be full screen mode for your browser, and typically it's going to be F11. So if I click F11, it's going to hide the browser info and allows me to just have this interface. Now if I get too close to the screen, it'll pop up but if you're using a touch screen, you should be able to click on the image and then click on your option down here. And then if for some reason you need to get out of full screen mode, you can just click F11 again, and you're right back to where you were. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.